Hi beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you an item that I received in PR just for a review. I thought it was a neat little product and that could be used for many different ways, so I thought I would show it to you guys. At the end of the video I will have something for our giveaway and be offering you some discounts on this item, so make sure you watch till the end. This is the product by Solid Beauty Concepts, and it's a 48 compartment storage container, and it's very sturdy. As you can see, it's got a really tough plastic on it. You can't dent it in. Let me show you how it opens. It opens on both sides. This is it opens like this, and that's what it looks like inside. It has 48 compartments, so 24 on each side. This side opens up the opposite way at the bottom, and that's how it opens up. But this plastic is very sturdy. It's not a real thin plastic. And this compartment here at the bottom, it also comes with these toe separators, and it has right here an adjustable compartment at the bottom. You see these come out, but all these compartments stay like this. You can't remove those. But I was trying to think of different ways you can use this, but first let me show you how I store my polishes, and y'all are gonna laugh at this. In a box. This is my polishes. It's an old blow dryer box that I've had, and that's how I've been storing them for years. And it's not real good, I know. I'm not one to be creative with storage or house decorating and things like that. I have to have something like this to say, oh, this is what you should put your polishes in. So when I got this in the mail, I was so excited because it's really ridiculous how I keep my polishes. So let me show you how they look in this container. And so now this is how I store my polishes. It's this sturdy 48 polish organizer from Solid Beauty Concepts. And as you can see, it has two sides. I'll show you how this opens. And it's not a cheap plastic that you can dent. You see, when I push on it, it doesn't even dent in. It's very sturdy. And if I open up this side, I'm going to show you how one side opens. It has these clasps, and you just lift it, and it just opens like this. And this is your compartment. You have 24 compartments. And also on this side here, you have an adjustable slot. You can take these out of here and here and put either something really long, or these are the two toe separators that come with the box. And you can slide them in to make different sizes on this side and also on the opposite side. But it's really a sturdy product, because I know sometimes I'll buy plastic products at Walmart and they're not as good as you think they are. They're flimsy, and like you can set this to any size, but there's so many things you can use this for. Let me show you how the other side looks. You see, you close it up like that and you just clasp it, and you see on this side you have one too, but it's the opposite way. You have it on this side, and you open it up here. Let's see if I can get it open with my nails here. And it's just the mirror image of the other side. And I have a nail polish in each slot. I don't know how good you can see that. Like this? Yeah. and it holds a total of 48 bottles. But there are so many things you can use this product for. I want to show you the many different ways that me and my husband came up with. So stay tuned. Okay, next we have lipsticks and other beauty products. I just wanted to show you how they fit. Let me open it up and show you what I put in it this time. On this side, you can put a regular lipstick in each, or you could even put 2 lipsticks in each. It'll fit 2. No, it depends what size the lipstick is. Okay, as you can see, I have beauty blenders down here. I have a lot of these little miniature Jure lipsticks. I put those in there. I have some Stila eyeshadows I put up here. Just anything that you could fit inside. I'm going to show you the other side what I put. I need maybe like 10 of these, to tell you the truth. And these are so easy to store. This side I have a lot of lipsticks. Right here I have some makeup brushes, some Jeffree Star makeup brushes. But you can see the idea with the lipsticks. You could even organize it even further than that. You could put like red lipsticks on one side, and on the other side put a different color. You could really make everything organized really well. Okay, let me show you what else you can do with this. Okay, you ladies who like to fish, I like to fish. My husband likes to fish. If your husband fishes and has a really messy tackle box, well, here's the solution. I put some of my husband's freshwater lures. Okay, if you see, I didn't put any of his crankbaits or anything, but I just put a few different things. He has some bobbers here and some different types of lures. I'm not sure. And then he has some hooks, some big old hooks right here. Even saltwater baits and hooks you could fit in here. But can you imagine having all your tackle in these see-through containers when you go fishing? You could clean this so easy. You just take everything out and just wash it real good when it gets real fishy. But I thought this was a great solution for your tackle. You just put if you get a couple of these, 2 for freshwater, 2 for saltwater, you'd have plenty. Okay, let me show you another way you can use this product. Okay, I put a few things here. My daughter is 19 years old, so we don't have that many bows anymore, but I found some I hadn't given away yet. And if you have a young child, we used to have oodles of these little bows, and I don't know how much I paid for these. They were not that cheap. And we used to put them on a dowel. Her hair was long, so we just stick them on the dowel. But this would be a great place to put all your hair clips, like your claw clips here, fancy Paducah, even like costume jewelry. This would be great to store it, because I know I have so many it clutters up my jewelry box. And I actually have like 3 different jewelry boxes. And I don't like to mix it with my good gold jewelry, because then you don't know what's real and what's not real. So this is good to put costume jewelry. You could even use it as a first aid kit. I just put a few things we had just in our first aid kit in here to show you. But if you are a manicurist, or even if you're like me and you have a lot of different nails you put on, like I have one tonight, it's the Kiss glue-on nails. A subscriber had sent me some of these, and they are so handy and so much cheaper than having manicures. If you don't know about these, send me an email. I'll tell you about them. But you can get different colors of these nails. You can organize all the different nails in here. You could put your polish on one side. There's just so many uses to this box. If you do arts and crafts, if you do jewelry and have different charms, you can put all your different charms in here that you use to make your necklaces. If your children do beaded jewelry, or you do beaded jewelry, this is a good organization system for that also. I'm trying to think of so many different things. I have some miniature ornaments. They're in my attic, but I have Easter ones and Christmas ones. This would be perfect to put those miniature ornaments in. And I like to, and they're Hallmark ornaments, and I like to store them in something like this because they don't get damaged. And especially like these little bows you pay all that money for and you want them to stay real pretty. This is what you need, something like this. If you sew, you may store like your buttons in here or thread. You could use this to store all your different spools of thread if you sew. It just has so many uses. And when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do this, I've been kind of picky about the things I've been taking because you get more and more offers as you get bigger. But the reason I took this because I thought it was a good product, and also because they offered to give one free to my audience, my subscribers who watched my video. So this will be the only video for this giveaway. You have to make a comment under the video like normal. You have to be subscribed to my channel and have it set to public. And what I'll do on Friday at noon Central Standard Time, I will randomly pick one person. So if you're interested in getting this cute little case, just make a comment under my video. Don't just put an emoji. Make a comment. Make sure to put a what can I have them put? Solid Beauty Concepts. At the end of your comment, put the hand with the red nail, anything with nail polish. If you don't have an emoji, then just put nail polish. And you'll be qualified to enter this giveaway. Possibly you can win one of these. And also, if you'd like to purchase one, they gave me a discount code. It's Kendy 010. I'll have it under the video in the description area. I'll have the link to click on their site to get it, and you can get 10% off with Kendy 010. And I'll have it all under there if you want to even just go look and see what they're offering. So that is my product review. I hope you enjoyed seeing my review. Please remember to share and subscribe if you're not already. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, bye!